Good morning, Sam. Good morning. How are you? How are you? Did you sleep good? You have some bedhead going on. Yes, you do. You have some bedhead going on. Oh, some leftover yarns? Some leftover yarns from last night? Huh? Good morning. Are you gonna talk to us? Huh? Are you gonna talk to us? Oh, it's so exciting. It's so exciting. Good morning. So you slept until 8 o'clock? Yeah. 8 o'clock. What do you think? Really?
Food time.
Nope, just 8. And then I spit up all over the place. I ate. Mommy kept feeding me.
But look, he's grabbing his ear and he's touching his mouth.
Grabbing his ear means he's tired. Yeah. Bless you. Bless you. Alright, say have a good day.
Have a good day. Yeah. Hey.